you and Sanjay ji and my guru. I pay the regard that I got such opportunity to submit my opinion on the Vad. Maharshi Varyavidu explained very perfectly in Vad Kalakali Adhyay about the Vad. अब बात ये हुई कि what will be the present time scenario of the Vad, and that I have to talk. And really, if we see the Vad, without Vad, there is no life. Why is also told as Ayu. Sarir Indri Sattva Sanyogo is told as Ayu, but why is also told as Ayu. So Ayu is the interchangeable to the Ayu. I will come on my point immediately, and please see my PPT and I will discuss one by one. These 18 points I took from the Vatkalakali Adhyay and Tantra Yantra Dharaha. What do you mean of the Tantra Yantra Dhara? As per Chakraprani, the whole of the body system and the parts of the Tantra. So what do I feel that? Nervous system, CNS, ANS, PNS, circulatory system, locomotor system, endocrine system, respect all system and their organ. When we talk about the cell, tissue, organ and system, then the body comes. It means at the end, so why is working at the cell level, cellular level? Whether it is the mutation or whether it is congenital diseases or whether it is most of diseases existing in the world, what is somewhere. Not as a full extent, but a minimum a role of the what is present in most of the diseases. I will just give you the one example of the heart. When you are talking about the conducting system from SA node to AB node and bundle of His to the Purkinje fiber, and a conduction traverse across the artery and ventricle, a syncytium is there. That is coordinated conduction throughout the artery and coordinated conduction throughout the ventricle is only because of the avyahat vayu. This avyahat vayu, this prakritas vayu, really superior to make the conduction from one cell to the all cell, all are known. And these all are known is only based on the what coordination. And if there is any change in this system, the six sinus syndrome, heavy nodal block, left bundle branch block, right bundle branch block, and a lot of arrhythmia like fibrillation, flutter, too many things manifest. I am very impressed with the Acharya Charak when he mentions the Ansumati Paisa in Hridayagat Bath. Later on my study and clinical approach, I found the sulfur is very good in any type of the tachyarrhythmia. Later, I little bit change and then I use the Chatuspadi and Chatuspadi with the Brahmi, Satauri, and I find the marvelous result in the tachyarrhythmia. Very good result. So, thing is that how to think and then how to implement the clinical interrelationship is very important nowadays. If you are managing the tachyarrhythmia by the Chatuspadi and you are using the Chatuspadi in the conduction block, third degree block, and you are avoiding the pacemaker, really you are giving the real life to the person. Those who are poor can't afford the pacemaker. So life is that how to understand the tantra and how to understand the yantra in the what perspective and what to make the treatment as per this thought process. If you will see the respiratory system, when we are talking about the Swas Rog, when we are talking about the Viswak Vrajati, mismatching, the discordant ventilation, and then we are coming on the hypoxia, and due to hypoxia, lack of the energy and fatigue, all are there. And that again you can see at the Usahani, Harsahani. So interrelationship is there. That we have to understand. When you are increasing, when you are doing the bring out chikitsa, it means you are giving the oxygen. When you are doing the third part, when you are doing the summon, the better. But cursor is why not good? Because it can decrease the oxygen level. It can load on the heart. So Acharya is very clear to make the line of treatment, bring her, summon and cursor in Swaso. The approach is that what in the samprati and what in the lakshana, what will be the prognosis, and accordingly what the drug will be effective. Pushkar Muli is the best. Why Pushkar Muli is the best? Why Sati is best? Why Siris Patrasaurus is best? What is the reason to use the Sunti like drug in the Tambak Swas? All come to understand what is the Vishwak Brajati. That Gati of the Vat. A Gati of the Vat in the Yantra. How a Vat is moving in the Yantra. How a Vat is moving in the Asay. Like Amasya Gadbat. In Amasya Gadbat, you see there is Visuchika. There is Swasrok. Kap Sthananu, Kaf Vatatmake, Pitistan Samudbha is there. In that again, Pitistan Samudbha means Amasya, when the Amasya, the Vat is present, the Amasya, there is Swasrok. See the link of the Acharya. They never forget their linking of the Samprapti presentation. Next. Now, Tantrenta Vinesu Tamu Pravistam. I am taking here one example of the mitral stenosis when their left ventricular obstruction, cardiac output is decreased, renal output is decreased, and there is obstruction. And because of obstruction, the from site in nadi, shavata, all are present. Pulsus alternance is very commonly present in the heart failure due to mitral stenosis, pulsus alternance. It means if we see one by one, this left ventricular inflow obstruction means again the Vat Gati become Vyahat here. When Vat Gati become Vyahat here, the Bimar Gaman is there, then left arterial dilatation, pulmonary edema, dyspnea-like feature develop. This Sang and then the Bimar Gaman, then pulmonary edema, because of pulmonary edema, pulmonary arterial pressure increase, then right ventricular hypertrophy, then right arterial abnormality, then raised jugular venous pressure, congestive hepatomegaly, pedomegaly edema, all occurs. See the Bimargaman, how the Bimargaman occurs at the level of arteria to the pulmonary circulation to the left ventricle to the right artery. This is a linking of the soul. This is important to understand the anatomical understanding that it to another how the backward flow occurs of the pressure, and the pressure means the valve. A simple approach. What will be your treatment? Your treatment will be to decrease the stenosis. You will think about the use of the Lekhani Drape, you will think about the use of the Tamre, you will think about the root of the Janoras. You may use the Mustalek drug here simply. So thing is that how to control. Yes, here one important thing I will tell: the mitral stenosis, left arterial dilatation lead to the tachyarrhythmia, lead to the arterial fibrillation, lead to the thromboembolism, and that thromboembolism may cause.
Oja sir, sorry to disturb you. Please start your PPT, sir. Your PPT is not visible.
I'm not.
Your screen is shared, but PPT is not visible. You are not started PPT. Okay, now visible, sir.
Okay.
Visible, sir. It's visible now.
Okay, thank you. So, my dear, that is my point, that how to understand the Vat in the Tantra and Yantra. I'm basically the man of the Chikitsa, so my approach will be every time to understand the Chikitsa part. Next.
Yes.
Now, Pran, Udan, Samana, Vyana, Pan, Atma. Very nice. This sequence is very important. Please don't forget the sequence Pran. I'll give you the one example of the Pran here. You see in the Kaphabit Pran, in Pitta Bit Pran, Sardi is mentioned. When in the Kaphabit Pran, Sardi is mentioned, and Pitta Bit Pran, the Chhatbat both have the different characteristic feature. In Kaphabit Pran, the Nishtiman Udgar-like feature will be associated, and in Pitta Bit Pran, Vidagdha Pitta will be there. Amludgar Uradaha like feature will be there. So on the understanding of the associate feature with that will help you the understanding of the Avran of the Pran. Adankarm is there, but you will be surprised, not in any Paraspar Avran of the Pran, the Chardi is mentioned. And Chardi is mentioned only in the Vyana Vritapan and Udana Vritapan. See the Gati relationship. When Vyan and Apan is working with each other, interplaying with each other, the Apan comes up and there is Baman. What will be the characteristic of the Baman if the Apan is obstructed? Definitely something from the colon, so fecal odor may be present. I have seen in the too many ulcerative colitis or inflammatory bowel disease, there is the colon-gastric fistula where the same features appear, my dear. The thing is that the Gati Siddhanta is very important to understand in between Pran, Udan, Saman, Vyanapan. In between. Interplay in between these pathways make us the healthy. If anything wrong, you see the smoking, that is Dhoom Vatabhyam. If Dhoom is used by a person, the each and every vayu is affected, not only Udan. Differently, Dhoom first acts on the Udan. It activates the vagus. It develops the bronchoconstriction. It develops the atherosclerosis. So differently, one Dhoom, if you take as example, it acts on the all types of the what. It also can cause our constipation action. It also can cause the decrease in enzyme secretion. Too many things because of chronic vasoconstriction, atherosclerosis. At the end, the approach is that you see the Udan is the cell energy. This is powerhouse. Whatever Pratna Bal Urja. I am always talking about the action potential because of action potential, a 20 millivolt of the energy produced by a cell. And that 20 millivolt of the energy is the action of the cell. And this is only because of the Urja after Urja, the bulk. And when there is stole and diastole. And then there is contraction and relaxation. And if something is wrong here and in the myasthenia gravis, you find the muscle relax. Muscle is fatigue. And that feels the weakness. This is the Udan. We need the Udan to provide the ball through it, the Urja. You will be surprised, my dear, to understand the Udana with Pran, where the bal bar Urja nas occurs with the Mritu Athapiva. Only in this condition, Acharya Charak mentions the Mritu in Udana with the Pran. So if I understand the importance, interlinking of the Udan with the Pran. In Pranabit Udan, you see the Hridaya Rog is mentioned. In Pranabit Saman, Gadgad Vak is mentioned. So that is, now I will talk when I will talk about the speech, the importance of Saman and Pran in phonation, circulation. Whatever, I'm always talking about the needed, required circulation. There is index, there is the renal index, there is the hepatic index, there is the cerebral index, there is the pulmonary index. Means whatever amount of the blood is needed to the area, to the part, will be determined by the Pran, and order will go to the beyond for that specific circulation. For example, in the Pandu, Dves occurs. Because of why cutaneous vasoconstriction, why cutaneous vasoconstriction the supply to vital organs like brain and heart. So linking is there. That linking, what is the region of vasoconstriction for the vasodilation in another vital part for the compensating mechanism, all understood by each and every Vat. And that is the reason Acharya always tells the Panchatma Vat, Panchatma Vat. This, you can't ignore the Panchatma Vat. When something is increased, like pyruvate is increased, acetate is increased, it must be utilized. If it is not utilized, it should be treated out. And that is the role of Apan at the cell level. If Apan is failed to excrete that pyruvate and acetate things from the myocardial cells, the pH of the myocardium will be increased, and a region of the necrosis, a region of the infarction, a region of the ischemia. See, the simple. This is the reason why in the Samana with Apan, Acharya mentions Hridaya. Means, again, I am telling you that we have to see at the cell level. One day we have to develop cytology in the Ayurveda, histology in the Ayurveda, and then only we can understand each and everything through the Ayurveda for the better treatment, my dear. Thank you. Next. This is very important line, really. If we talk of the initiation of the any motion, we need to stimulate the cell, we need to go for the action potential. We like that. I will give one example of that potential in the cardiac cell. The sodium entry, depolarization, Then potassium outside, repolarization is very good. Ionic atmosphere across the cell membrane, extracellular and intracellular, 300 millipass per liter. Ions are present. This balance basically need for the Pravartak Uchavachanam. Now, if any change occurs in the potassium, the hyperpolarization will lead to the ischemia and patient comes with the angina. You can understand this gati. When there is hypokalemia, again there is chest pain because of hypokalemia. Anti-wave changes occur in the ECG. So, what will be the treatment there? To give the potassium, to give the potassium-rich fruits and citrus and all, but what is a drug like the Kamdudha, like the Jawahar Mohra, like that. Even Kamal, which contains that electrolytes which we need it. So, phonic current is very important to understand. You know that what is the reason of the SA node to be pacemaker because of low threshold. The potential of the resting potential of the pacemaker is minus 55 and other having the minus 95. This low threshold of the SA node make it the pacemaker. This is the power basic because of the what. I'm telling really, if you see the action potential of each and every cell, then you can understand this Pravartak Uchavachanam. This is very important action of the what, and this action potential, if changed because of channelopathy and because of some electrolyte imbalances and because of the ischemia, the heart cardiac arrest occurs. Next. Now you see that similar activity, you can read it. Already I have told you. So when the impulse is taught in the SA node, goes throughout the atria for the atrial contraction, then go to the ventricle for the ventricular contraction. Always ventricular contraction ahead of the atria. You know, there is nothing from the atria to ventricle. This is the reason why the nature give you the AV node bundle of his system. This AV node bundle of his system, in that the impulse halting for the 0.03 second to 0.07 second. This halting is important. Otherwise, there will be clash between the ventricle and this is, I'm very impressed with the natural approach, and that is only because of what now need to stay here to initiate the action of the ventricle. When here the what is staying for the long time, the PI interval will be prolonged, because the block occur. Now your drug Chatuspadi is helpful. Now your drug Salpani is useful. Now your drug Satauri is useful. Nyanta Pranata Chamansa. You are well known about this. Whole cerebral activity, cognition process, behavior things, emotional things, everything is under control of the what. What is good and what is bad, that is through the buddhi and all. There is a lot of the talk on the ahankar, man and buddhi. But what is there? If one patient comes with the parietal infarction, there will be cognition loss. Patient is now missing the writing, the patient is missing the reading, the patient is missing the speaking, the patient is missing the that identification of the person. Means the cognition process of the man is totally now disrupted because of infarction, because of the abhorrent. This is the reason why Acharya mentions the sarvendriyam sunyatvam gyatva smriti balchayam in case of pranaviti. Means the man again will be controlled, is under control of the Vat, but the prime bhed of the Vat will be that time only the Prana. Vyan is needed for the circulation, Dan is needed for the Saman is needed for the auto-regulation through the metabolic process. You know that the insulin not required for the brain cell. That is very important action of Saman there. It gives that way to digest the nutrients. And that brain cell is too many times dependent on the that fatty metabolic process. So we need the Saman there. And that is the reason, again, I am telling you, my dear, in case of Pranaviti Saman, Gadgadavat is mentioned, Jadavat is mentioned. Means the Pran and that Saman, again, very important for the Manas Gati. We need the Saman every time. We need the Pran that time. We need the blood circulation that time there. and then only the मानसिक activity will be perfect to deal the क्या बोलना है, क्या करना है, कितना बोलना है, कितना करना है, ये सब चीजें नियंत्रण अंडर कंट्रोल आती हैं। ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात। सर्वेंद्रिय उद्योजकः, what is उद्योग कारक means basically प्रेरक और उद्योग कारक। You know the heminopia, you know the deafness, you know the sensory neuropathy, you know the anosmia, you know the dry mouth, you know the loss of the taste and everything. It means again the what is here to make all this. The integration is important in the indri. That integration comes only because of the what. Without integration, nothing is there. You see the skin is present everywhere. And because of that, the Achar finds the man everywhere through the twak. And then again, he finds the vat everywhere through the twak. Means epithelial cells are very important to carry the vat everywhere. That is important. Again, in the embryology, the role of the epithelium can be understood later. So integration is important. If there is a touch, then that is perceived by the sensory cortex, need a coordination. If it is not perceived, that something is wrong either here or in the brain. Either central sensory neuropathy or peripheral neuropathy is present, can be seen as a supta, achaitana, sparsa, hani, like that. So indri and indriyarth, indri adhisthan, indri dravya, indri buddhi must be under control of the vat. If what is, I gave you the example of heminopia. This is only because of the vat. And so there is blindness in the half part of that. So homonymous hemonopia, heterogeneous homonopia like are present. A blindness is present. And that is only because of the vat. Next. Sarvendriya नाम अभिबोधा सर्वेन्द्रिय अर्थग्रहकत्वेन through the again spar indriya. That is very important. Twak is very important basically. That is asraya sri bhav, and then the relation of the vat with the twak, and then the indriya visaya grahakatva. For example, you see in the here in the ear. What is the role of this saskuli? Very important. Otherwise, if there is no saskuli, I will talk later, but though the sound will not go inside, will be dispersed around. Only whatever we have the sound, only 60% of that sound enter into the cochlea. Only 60%. You can understand the role of everything there. For the grasping, for the reception, that is important. Next. So what is regarded really as the carrier of the objectives, their sense faculties, and directly the cause of the tactile sensation, without which no other sense faculty can enjoy their recipient's perception. Charaksust 1138. So if we see one by one, the each and every indri, whether it's Gyanendri or Karmendri, again interlinked and under control of the one. You can ask that, what is the need to understand all this? Yes, we need. I told you, there is coordination. Whatever we are reading, that is a coordination from the brain. Whatever we are talking, that is again a coordination from the brain through the Wernicke center and Broca center. It means that coordination comes under the vat. The perception to relay, that is important. Perception to the relay. क्या हमने स्पर्श किया, क्या हमने फील किया, उसका हमने क्या रिएक्शन किया, किस इंद्री का उसमें क्या रोल होगा, ये सब कुछ बात ऑटोमेटिक फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ माइक्रो सेकेंड में डिसाइड करके आपको करके दे देता है। आपने हाथ लगाया एक अग्नि पर, आपने हाथ हटा दिया, ये जो फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ सेकंड में काम हो रहा है, सब का बात का जितने भी रिफ्लेक्स मैकेनिज्म है, वो चाहे कफ रिफ्लेक्स हो, चाहे मैच्योरेशन हो, चाहे यूरिनेशन हो, चाहे कोई भी रिफ्लेक्स मैकेनिज्म हो, वहां सभी पर बात ही है। इसलिए आप देखिए कि निष्ठीवन के लिए, उद्गार के लिए जैसी चीजों में प्राण का रोल बताया गया, सिर्फ इसलिए कि स्रोतस की शुद्धि जरूरी है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट है। नाउ Now, this is very important, like my dear Sanghat Karo Rachna Kariti Avat Prakriti. V1 is described Chakraparni, Acharya Chakraparni as Vahan and Samarachana. Vahan. Why I'm taking both words at a time? Vahan is important for any structural shape. What the amount of nutrient is required, what type of nutrient is required for that organ genesis at time of the embryo is important. And that is because of the only Vahan, appropriate amount, accurate amount. This is the reason why Acharya Susus mentions that रक्त कफ प्रसादात हृदय की बात जो हुई, तो ये बातें वही से होंगी, वहन से और संरचना से। ये सर्व शरीर धातु व्यूहकर की एक बहुत अच्छी प्रक्रिया वात के थ्रू होती है। V1 is described as a transportation of nutrients to the respective body constituents and specific arrangement of the particles or molecules in the tissue. This is important point.
ओझा सर, गुरुजी,
हाँ,
मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ आपके, मैंने प्लीज कंक्लूड कीजिए आप, जो अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण बात है, क्योंकि 3 मिनट बचे आपके समय के।
नेक्स्ट फास्ट, so close, I will give you the cyclic circulation, close circulation important through the Vata and especially from the Vyana, that is very important. Next, yes, Sandhantara Sarira, this is very important. Sanyoga Swabhav, Vibhaga Swabhav, this is very important for the completion and for the dissolution. If you are talking about the Smari Bhavan, you have to talk about the Sanyoga. If you are talking about the close lysis, you have to talk about the Vibhaga Swabhav. And that then the Katu comes there, then the Prasana Ved comes there. Next, प्रवर्तक वाच, वेरी नाइस, शब्द की बात हमने अभी बहुत कुछ बात की। नेक्स्ट, अब देखिए, दैट इज लिंक, आई एम गिविंग हाउ ए फोनेशन occurs. It is Acharya Panini, Atma Buddhi activates Man with the help of Pran, Man stimulates Kayagni with the help of Saman Vayu, and then gives the prana to the upward direction, depending on the Ashtasthan produces various sounds. Again, you see the sound, organ of Kartai, hearing center, Varnic center, Orpheus nucleus, Broca center, cerebral cortex, speech musculature, and then speech is there. Good. Next. So linking, you understand the linking, whether it is the dysarthria and mutism, you have to think in this manner. Next. Next. There are two types of the aphasia, Broca's aphasia, Wernicke's aphasia, and also too many, conduction aphasia, central aphasia. And now the science is enriching the different types of the disease process. Next. Prakriti is person. Sabdayo, already we have discussed it. Next. See that I told you, role of the pinna, the sarculi. Next, only 60% of the sound goes there. Next. Cochlear nuclei, nucleus of letters. See that how the hearing occurs, how a person perceives the word. Next, this is very important. Next, this is important. When you are talking about the sensory neuropathy, peripheral and central, you need two signs to confirm: agraphesthesia and astereognosis. If these two are present, it means lesion in the sensory neuropathy, sensory cerebral cortex. If they are absent, then you think about the tokekatu suptata. Next, now hers. This is important, Usa. I'm always talking to my students, the coordination between nervous system, immune system, endocrine help in making the Usa. If the cardiac output is less, then again the Usa is less. The oxygen level is less, then Usa is less. Pandu is major cause of the Usa hani. So that is important to understand through the work. Next. Samaravagni. Everything in enzymatic action need the stimulation, secretagogy. If the pH of the intestine is alkali, then only the zyme zone convert in the active enzyme. Otherwise, there is no activation of the enzyme, and then indigestion occurs, as you can see in the Jolin-Ellison syndrome. Next. See, the gastrinoma secretes a large amount of the gastric stimulus, parietal cells secrete a large amount of gastric acid. Next. Then the Jolin-Ellison syndrome. Though this is very important. You take the more salt, and then vayu comes in action to decrease that salt in the body through the aldosterone. Then there is suppression of aldosterone. After suppression of aldosterone, there is natriuresis, and sodium is lost. So what if anything is increased, the what comes in action to release that, to clear that, and to make the srutas anupahat. Next. Next. Yes, Chepta Bahirmalanam. This is very important. If the something is residing in the cell, will increase the pH of the cell, may cause the ischemia, may cause the necrosis. This is the reason why Acharya mentioned the CT scan upon Hridaya Vyatirikte. Means apan is present everywhere in the body to maintain the homeostasis, to clear, and that is the role of the apan on the apoptosis and apoptosis. Yes, last 2 minutes I need only 2 minutes. Next, you can see the Samana Abritapan. This is very important to understand nowadays in relation with the cancer, tumor. That is very important. Next, in congenital diseases, you can understand. And then Vayu, Vagni, Akash, all these we need for the ISO, Nibriti, Pratyah, Bhuto, Akupita. The homeostasis of 75 trillion cells under control of what? If each and every cell is under control and normal, then only we can live for the long time. That is longevity for the 100 years. Need a well-coordinated path from crown to hill, from cell to cell, tissue and all. Thank you very much to listen me. This is again some point is given. Why am I thinking that hormone is the Vat Dharmi? Very clear word in the Greek, to set in motion, and that Vat also to set in motion. The Nirukti is similar, therefore I find the hormone as a Vat Dharmi drug. Next. See, stimulation is that is important point. I have given here an example. Yeah, the role of the hormone and the role of Vat is interrelated here, compared for understanding that whether sexual arousal